Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you have admin or root access. Without it, you cannot change server top heroes. Once confirmed, back up the current hero config and ranking files so you can revert if needed. Next, open the hero list in /config/heroes, JSON, or the server admin panel. This is where top hero entries live. Make targeted edits to the ID or priority values rather than replacing the whole file, because small, atomic changes reduce risk of corrupting live leaderboards. Now edit the hero entries. Change ID, priority numbers, or score thresholds to promote or demote top heroes. Do not rename keys arbitrarily. Once done, validate the file syntax and run a dry run on a staging server so you can observe effects without impacting players. Make sure to synchronize the changes with the database and clear caches like Redis or Memcache to force the server to load new values. If you automate, use a version deployment to track what changed and why. Deploy the approved changes during a low-traffic window and monitor logs, metrics, and player reports closely. If anything goes wrong, revert immediately using the backup copy and document the change set to prevent repeat errors. Make sure caches were invalidated and that DB transactions completed. Lingering cache TTLs often cause old hero data to persist. If leaderboards still show wrong heroes, check for mismatched ID between config and DB. Correcting those usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.